Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello everyone, here we are explaining exercise 2.1. The question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So we have to look the expressions which are polynomials and not polynomials. In one variable means only one letter. What are polynomials? Polynomials, when we look, we can see they are expressions with variables having powers as whole numbers. So if variables with the powers, whole numbers, what are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This type of numbers as powers, we say the expression is a polynomial, otherwise not a polynomial. Look at the first expression. You can see three terms, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. When we look each term, we can see the powers of x. Are they whole numbers? Yes. So this is a polynomial because every term when we look, we can see the variable there having whole number powers. Every term means there are three terms, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. And each term, the letter or the variable with powers whole numbers, and we already discussed what are whole numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These type of numbers. So the first expression is a polynomial. What about the second expression? Second expression is a polynomial or not? Look at the terms, look at the variable. What do you feel? Yes, this is also a polynomial. The reason is the variable is y and the variable y with whole number power. What is the power? Power is 2. That is a whole number. So the power of y is a whole number. Therefore, the given expression y square plus root 2 is a polynomial. Next expression, 3 root t plus t root 2. Here the variable is t. In the first term, we can see root t. How can we write root t as a power form? Root t, if we write, then we get its power form as t to the power 1 over 2. So we can rearrange this question or this expression as 3 t power 1 over 2 plus t root 2. Now look at the powers. Are they whole numbers? No. 1 over 2 is not a whole number. So we can say this expression is not a polynomial. The reason is variable is t, but the power of t is not a whole number. We can write it is not a polynomial. And the reason is very clear. The power of the variable t is not a whole number. It is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is not a whole number. From this we understand one more thing, that if we see an expression in that a variable with a root, that expression is not a polynomial. So this expression, their variable with a root, so this is not a polynomial. Next one, y plus 2 over y. What about this expression? Is this a polynomial or not? Look at the second term. Here y is the denominator and we can move to the numerator side. So when we rearranging the second term, when we move y to the numerator side, the power becomes minus 1. Now look at the expression. Is this a polynomial or not? No, it is not a polynomial. The reason is the variable y with power minus 1, one of the term with the power minus 1, which is not a whole number. From this we understand that if in an expression we see the variable in denominator side, that expression also not a polynomial. Look at this one. Is this a polynomial in one variable? No, it's not a polynomial in one variable. The reason is there are three variables we can see: x, y and t. So this expression is not a polynomial in one variable. This is a polynomial but not in one variable. So now we could see here the first two are polynomials in one variables. Third and fourth are not polynomials. And the last one, even if it's a polynomial, it's not in one variable. Second one, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So you can see polynomials here. We have to write the coefficient of x square. What is the meaning coefficient? Coefficient means the number with, if it is x square means number with x square. So we have to write down every expression. What is the number with x square? The first polynomial is 2 plus x square plus x. We are going to write the coefficient of x square. What is the number with x square? It is 1. If there is no number, that means it is 1 over there, 1x square. Next one, you can say the polynomial 2 minus x square plus x power 3. What is the coefficient of x square? It is minus 1. So we write coefficient is minus 1. Next, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the number with x square? This fraction. What is that? It is pi over 2. So coefficient of x square is pi over 2. Next question, root 2x minus 1. There is no x square term. What is the coefficient? 0. Because no x square term, 0x square. See the next question. Give an example each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. What is the meaning binomial? Binomial means it's a polynomial with only 2 terms. In this polynomial, we can see only 2 terms. And degree 35. Degree 35 means highest power, or degree of that polynomial is 35. Highest power of the polynomial is 35. We can write. So 2 conditions, only 2 terms, and the highest power must be 35. We can take any variable. I'm considering variable x. So I'm writing the example as, first I will write the maximum power term. X with the maximum power, what is that? 35. It is the degree 35. Then you can select x with any other power smaller than this. I'm just writing x to the power 30. You can write 34 or 32, 31, any power you can select. But it should be smaller than 35. See here, there are 2 terms and the highest degree or highest power is 35. So the degree is 35. Now we are going to write the example for monomial. What is monomial? Monomial is a polynomial with only 1 term, 1 and only 1 term. You can write with any variable. And what is the degree here? In this example, we have to write a monomial with the degree 100. That means the term with the highest power 100. We are going to write a monomial. Example for only 1 term polynomial, and the degree must be 100. So we can write the example. Here also I am taking the variable x and just write x with the power 100. Enough. So this is a monomial with the degree 100. Fourth question. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. You can see 4 polynomials given down, and we have to write down the degree of each of the following polynomial. What is the meaning degree? Degree means highest power among all terms. So we look how many terms over there, and highest power of the term is considered as the degree. First polynomial, 5x power 3 plus 4x square plus 7x. What is the highest power? It is 3. So the degree is 3. Second polynomial. What is the degree? Highest power is 2. So what is degree? Degree is 2. Next one. 5t minus root 7. Here the variable is t. What is its power? Its power is 1. So the degree of the polynomial we can write 1. Last is 3, number. There is no variable. So we can consider a variable, any variable. Let it be x with 0 power. If we see only number, then we can write that number is of degree 0 because it has variable with 0 power. Question 5. Classify each of the following as a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. You can see some polynomials given over here. We have to write down whether they are linear. What is the meaning linear? Linear means of degree 1 polynomial. Quadratic means degree 2 polynomials. And cubic polynomials are degree 3 polynomials. The first polynomial given here is x square plus x. And there are 2 terms. The maximum power term is x square and the power is 2. So we say this is a degree 2 polynomial. What is that? Quadratic polynomial. Degree 2. The polynomials, if with the degree 2, then we say them or call them as quadratic polynomial. You can see x square, the maximum power is 2. Second polynomial, x minus x to the power 3. It's a cubic polynomial because you can see here there are two terms and the highest power is 3, and if the power is 3, that means it's of degree 3. Degree 3 polynomials, cubic polynomial. Next one, y plus y square plus 4. What is the degree? Degree is 2, highest power 2, that's why degree is 2. So it's a quadratic polynomial. Next one, 1 plus x. X with the power 1, that means it is of degree 1. Degree 1 polynomials are linear polynomials. So 1 plus x is a linear polynomial. What type of polynomial? 3t. Yeah, it is also a linear polynomial because of the power, highest power 1, that means of degree 1. So it's a linear polynomial. Next one, r square. Square means degree 2. What's the name? It's quadratic polynomial. Next one, 7x power 3. Power 3, that means the polynomial of degree 3. So it's a cubic polynomial. In exercise 2.1, we have practiced what are polynomials and what are not polynomials, coefficient of variables, then monomial and binomials, next degree of a polynomial, also linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Hope you understand what we have discussed over here, and if you like this video, please share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.